What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tangani once again. This short video is just to tell you how I caught this gold sell during the London session. How I caught this trade during London session. So actually, let me check on let me start on the M15 time frame. So when the market opened up, let me see. Check this one, session indicator. This one is a session indicator. This one is Asian session, and this one is a London session. So this trade was executed. It was actually placed in during London session. So first thing that I discovered here on gold. So we are now in the downtrend on the lower time frame, on the 15-minute and 30 minutes time frame. So we had a break of structure here. That was a break of structure on the other day. It was on Friday, I think. Yeah, it was on Friday, 24 March. So today when the market opened, it dropped. It dropped heavily and it broke this structure here. It broke structure here. And we have a pullback. Just this happened during Asian session. So we had a break of structure here. A break of structure here, as you can see here. It's a break of structure. And we mark up a break of structure here. Okay. And the second thing, we had a pullback. This one is what we call inducement. This was the first pullback. You can clearly see it on the M15 time frame. M15 time frame. Yeah, M15 time frame. This was inducement. This was just to induce traders to sell. To sell the market, to sell gold earlier. This was inducement, just to induce other traders to sell here, to induce traders to sell here, while the market, the banks, the big banks, the big institutions knew that they would take them out here because they know that, okay, the early people that sold earlier, people that sold here, they would put their stop loss somewhere here. They would put their stop loss somewhere here. They knew that, okay, these early sellers, they will put their stop loss here. So you know what the bank did? The big institutions, let me say like the banks, the big banks, they just dropped the market and then took them out. Took them out because they knew that, okay, these guys that they sold earlier, they have their stop loss here. They would take them out and then they sold. So me, what I did, this happened during our London session. London session came and took out these early sellers here. Took out these early sellers here. So that's why the market is like this. You cannot just jump in the market once you see this tiny pullback which happened here. No, you have to wait. You have to wait until the until liquidity is taken. Is taken here. That is where liquidity is taken on this high. This is where liquidity is, because there is stop losses of these early sellers, and there is some orders which is here at this level, at this supply zone which is here. So me is where I entered. Is where I entered, and my stop loss was just above this high over here, and I was targeting let me say 1.4. Yeah, 1.4. I was targeting 1.4. 1.4R. I was targeting 1.4R. Yeah, this was 1.4. Because I was targeting this low. Because I knew this low would go. I knew this low would go. It's where I put my TP. Yeah, my entry was just here. When I knew that, okay, liquidity has been taken, that is where I entered. That was my first entry. This was my first entry. And my second entry on gold was around here. Here. Let me check. My second entry was on the closure when the 15-minute candle closes. When the 15-minute candle closed. Let me check. Yeah. 15-minute. When the third 15-minute candle closed is where I entered. I entered here. That was the second entry. And then my stop loss was just above this candle here, targeting the same level. I mean the same area here for the first trade. So that is how I got this trade on gold on London session. Because here we have a supply zone which is here, and we have an order block which is here. So yeah, there were orders here that drove our gold down like this. So this is how I just wanted to tell you how I got this trade on gold. So guys, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video, because I'll be posting new videos every week. Let me say 2 or 3 videos every week. Yeah, just hit it like button. You can also comment down below on what you think. What do you think about what I just said? Or you can even tell me what was your setup today, or if you got any setup today, you can comment down below. Yeah,